So in terms of what kind of precipitation, wintry precipitation we will see late Sunday into early Monday, here's how I currently think is going to break down. Our far northern areas along the Interstate 30 corridor is likely to be just mostly snow with occasional sleet mixing in here. Again, snow accumulation still uncertain here, but I don't really see it getting any higher than 2 inches at its most heaviest amount there, but even that may be a stretch. Now, farther south you go across the area, sleet becomes the main concern for the I-20 corridor down into parts of the Highway 84 corridor as well. So sleet is also known as ice pellets. It's when a snowflake falls into a warm layer above the ground that melts the snowflake into a raindrop, but then that raindrop goes right back into a zone of below freezing temperatures and it refreezes into an ice pellet. So it's similar to hail, but it forms in a very different manner, and sleet always is very small. And so that's, I think, the primary concern there. The good news is sleet doesn't really stick to power lines or trees, so it shouldn't cause any widespread power outages in that regard, but it will likely make roads slippery at times, especially bridges and overpasses. And then deep east Texas, we have mostly freezing rain as the concern, although sleet may mix in very late in the period. Now, freezing rain, of course, is rain that freezes on contact with the ground. That causes the most power outage concerns, and I do think deep east Texas will likely have the most power outage issues. However, ice accumulations I don't think really get any higher than 1/10 of an inch, so although that can do some damage, it shouldn't cause any widespread issues, but that is again something that we will be watching for closely. Either way, we're all fair game to see some accumulations of ice and snow, and we were also fair game to see those slick bridges and overpasses, and then maybe some of the main roads could get slick at times, especially after the precipitation leaves when things have time to freeze, especially during the overnight hours. Speaking of the overnight hours, temperatures drop well down into the 10s heading into Tuesday and Wednesday morning, so you are really going to need to bundle up here. This is some of the coldest air that we have seen since December of 2022 that will be moving in to our area heading into next week. So just make sure to stay bundled up here and check on your neighbors, of course, and things like that. As we take a look at your 7-day forecast, we're watching that wintry mix potential late Sunday into Monday. Some of us may not climb above freezing along Interstate 30 all day Sunday, so that will prolong the freeze there. But we should finally start to warm up above freezing heading into Wednesday afternoon. For deep east Texas, it's more of the same. Look for that rain to arrive late and eventually change over to freezing rain and maybe mix in with sleet towards the end of the day on Monday. But it turns really cold heading into Tuesday and Wednesday morning. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website.